Hi, my name is France. I am the co-founder of Foodztep. Foodztep brings innovation in the baby department. I am also the mother of two daughters. One has multiple food allergies, the other has none. What have we done differently between the two children? For the second, we followed the new medical guidelines that advise parents to give early, often, and variety of food allergens. Based on my experience, I then designed a food kit for babies and children to help simplify the introduction of food allergens around 6 months and to keep eating these foods on a weekly basis for many years. The product is made of 8 pouches of the top 8 food allergens. The food comes in powder and is easily mixed with milk or any other food. The ingredients are also 100% pure. We at Foodztep are the first company in Canada. We are proud to use Canadian ingredients and to use 100% less plastic than our US competitors. The food kit retails at $35, which is $1 per day for families. The cost to retailers is $24. Sales are supported by activities on social media and conferences to parents about food introduction. In-store demonstrations are also available. The product is ready to be sold in the market. It was launched in March 2020, a few days before the pandemic started to expand in Canada. We have then put the activities on hold, and we are now slowly resuming all activities. Manufacturing is defined and all sourcing is planned and agreements are made with suppliers. We strongly believe that such product will attract parents in physical store. This product has a place in the baby department, in health store, department store, grocery store, and pharmacies. You can visit our website at foodztep.com. I look forward talking to you soon. Bye-bye.